I was calling the doctor that did my operation about 7 months ago on my right shoulder for torn rotary cup. I have another one on my right shoulder, and my question is, do I have to have the surgery since they have given me some modified work to do, and I've started, and I told my case manager I don't want to have the surgery.
Doug?
Well, I mean, no, you don't. You really don't have to have the surgery. Things can get somewhat complicated when you get into that, because you're going to have your doctor saying that you need to have the surgery, and you know, if you just refuse it, there's certain things that it can get a little bit complicated, because if you're unable to return to work, say you have these limitations, and your doctor's telling you that those limitations won't be there anymore if you have the surgery, the employer is going to say, well, we shouldn't be punished because you're not having a surgery here, and so the insurance company might give you some pushback, and so it's going to be pretty fact dependent on what would happen there. That's something that, you know, I think an attorney would really need to sit down with and look at it. But you know, when you're getting into something like that, I would caution you a little bit about what you tell the insurance companies and the adjusters. You know, they're probably recording all the different conversations, and what you say might have some legal implications that you're just not aware of.
And I think, though, generally speaking, that, you know, they're not going to make you have a surgery, but, you know, Dean's right. You know, the effect really could be more on your job and how long they're going to accommodate those restrictions that you currently have. And, you know, and if you're trying to, you know, and also it's about getting fixed. And you know, certain surgeries, you know, typically when you're dealing with, you know, neck or back surgeries, those are definitely ones that are not going to make you have or really do a whole lot of punishment, because you're going to have restrictions whether you have them or you don't. But, you know, when it comes to, you know, fixing, you know, shoulders or elbows or knees, a lot of times those are ones, you know, they're going to hold your feet to the fire a little more on. But I agree with Doug. I think you should sit down and talk with an attorney.
All right, let's give those attorneys a call.